Hi guys, just a quick little introductory video for you, making sure you're accessing the Google Classroom the right way and you're reading all of my important announcements and checking out all my amazing videos. Alright, so when you log into Google Classroom, you're going to see an array of boxes like mine. They'll be different, all your different teachers. The district did ask you to join these IEY middle school pages, so if you've joined it, well, doesn't look like many kids have joined it yet, but if you have joined it, there's some extra resources there for you to review while you're quarantined at home and you're just getting really bored, silly, but you know that your grades are important and you really want to work on it, okay? So these are not the assignments that I'm going to grade, but the district provides it for you if you want some extra practice. The ones I'm providing for you are here in the algebra classroom. So whatever period you're in, you'll see, and when you open it up, you come to the main screen that you're probably used to, and that one is the stream, and then I always use the classwork button, right? So I don't post my assignments in the stream. Right? What's in the stream here is generally an announcement. All right, I did post this one assignment here. That was just so I could check to see who was getting alerts, and quite a few of you weren't. So in the stream, I generally will say to you, hey, here's a reminder, right? There's credit work each day, and here, don't forget to do the classwork, or hey, I'm working on creating videos for you, or hey, we're closed for lots and lots and lots of weeks, right? So if you don't have your alerts turned on for the stream, getting notifications either on your phone or your laptop, that might be helpful, at least while we're home on quarantine, so you know that I'm posting something. Because I don't always post it at the same time every day, and if you checked at 9 o'clock and I didn't post till 9:30, you might think there's nothing there. So make sure you're checking your stream. And if you haven't done so, got to fill out this attendance check, right? I was checking to make sure that everybody was able to see the announcements and see the assignments. I asked a couple short questions here, and quite a few of you did not submit it. So the second thing is the classwork. All right, so I've created a new category here. It's called Distance Learning Lessons for the COVID-19 break. So every day when every day when I have a new lesson for you, I'm going to post it here under today's assignment. So today, there were these two assignments were posted there, right? So this one was here, and this one was also here, and then this one I had already moved down. So these are lessons that have already passed. So the first lesson I assigned was on Friday, March 13th, and I assigned two. One is a lesson, and one is a credit work. Now, not every single day will have a credit work, but if I want to make sure that you are actively working while you're at home, binging Netflix and playing games, sometimes I gotta put these work assignments up here just so I can keep track of you. I don't have to call 105 students every day. So for tomorrow, I'm going to post lesson number 3. So we're already up to our third lesson. And what you do is I'm actually going to start labeling these A and B. So sometimes they'll just be an A lesson, so let me show you. And sometimes there'll be a B lesson. So the A lesson will be what you do first. Like right here I have a lesson on factoring a difference of two squares. And that's usually the lesson that has the videos and the notes if I made some, or the worksheets. Now, as far as notes go, I'm probably going to stop posting them because we're not printing them and we're not putting our page numbers in. And I'll have them all for you when we get back to school, though. So don't worry about that. You don't need to print anything. So the first thing you do is you click on your lesson, you watch the video, you try the practice problems. You can try the practice problems on any notebook paper, white sheet of paper, whatever you've got. All right? And then once you feel like you've mastered it, that's when you're going to try the credit work. So for the first just 2 assignments, I gave you a quizzes, right? So you clicked on the quiz link, and it took you to the website, and then as soon as you finish the quiz, it uploads the grade automatically to Google Classroom for me. And that's how I keep track of who's actually doing the lessons when they should be. So I'm going to move this lesson back down, and I'm going to be putting them in ascending order, I guess. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the first lesson at the top, and then I'll put all the other ones below it. So if you miss a day, or you're not home, or you're not feeling well, or you just slept all day, make sure that you come back and you've done all of these previous lessons. So when you check this out tomorrow, you're going to see this video posted on the stream, and maybe even in today's assignment, just so that in case you're not looking in both places. All right, so that's how I want you using this Google Classroom for the break. If you have any questions, you can email me at khenderson@nredlearn.org, or you can make some comments on the Google Classroom. All right, happy learning.